So welcome everyone. So today we're going to be making lemon ricotta buttermilk pancakes. So in a large bowl I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of ricotta, 3 egg yolks, I separated the eggs from the whites, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Now once we put everything in a bowl, we are going to zest 1 lemon. And then after we zest it, we are going to juice the lemon and place it into a bowl as well and mix. And after you zest it, we're just going to juice the lemon. Now we just whisked this really well until everything's smooth, and we're going to set aside. Now we have 1.5 cups of flour. I'm going to do this in batches. This is 1/2 cup, and I'm going to sift the flour. This is cake flour over the ricotta mixture. So we're just going to basically sift the flour in, and this will create a lot of air in the pancakes, and it'll get rid of any of these small lumps. Now once you sifted 1.5 cups of cake flour, I also added 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now we're going to mix this together until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it. I'm just using a rubber spatula here just so it doesn't overmix. You could just kind of just fold in the flour and the ricotta mixture. Now this is how the mixture looks, kind of still a little lumpy. We're going to set this aside, and I have the 3 egg whites here, which I'm going to use an electric beater and whip up till they're nice and frothy. Now once the egg whites form soft peaks, this is when you want to add around 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to fold this into the ricotta batter. Now we're going to slowly just fold this in. You don't want to lose that air, so be careful when folding the egg whites in. So I have a non-stick skillet here with just a little bit of butter that I melted, and I'm going to put it on like medium-low heat and then place 1/3 cup of that batter that we just made onto the pan. Now when you see these little bubbles, that's when you know it's ready to flip. Beautiful. How beautiful does this look? All you need to do is sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of it, maybe some maple syrup,